We all got a song inside, waiting to be discovered.